tulak ng bibig. Salita lamang, di tunay sa loob, insincere words. Literal, pushed by the mouth.
You don't use the literal meaning of the words, ha? Because hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na tulak ng bibig, iulak ng bibig niya bago niya ako halikan. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Hindi ganun. Ay, tulak ng bibig, iba ibig sabihin. Use it.
Mahilig siyang magtulak ng bibig sa mga taong kausap niya.
Pagtulak ng bibig yung ibig sabihin.
Mahilig siyang magtulak ng bibig.
No. It sounds right. It's part of the production of bibig. No. It sounds literal. Hindi maganda pakinggan. Use it another way.
Tulak. Mahirap.
Ang pagsasabi ko sa kanya na mahal ko siya ay tulak lamang ng aking bibig.
Bibig,
Manluloko ka pala, Van. Boy.
Hala ko ako na. All along.
What?
All along.
All along. All along.
All along.
If you have known or suspected something all along, then you have felt this from the beginning. All along.
All along.
Dalawa ang bibig. Mabunganga, madaldal, nagger, talkative person. Dalawang bibig. Two mouth.
What?
Two mouth.
Mouth.
Grabe naman sila. Siyempre po. Dalawang bibig. Hindi na po yung bigla. Hinigay sa akin po ni Sir. Ganyan niya ako kayo niya.
Why are they saying that?
Which one?
Daldal ka daw? Wala ang bibig.
Talkative, Sir, talkative.
It's okay.
Dalawa ang bibig. Minsan nakakairita ang taong dalawang bibig.
Next.
Wala.
Bugoy.
All ears.
All ears. If someone says they're all
Says.
Oo nga pala. If someone says they are all ears, they are very
No.
interested.
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 That's it.
And hearing about something. How can I use that? I don't know how to use
All
this
ears.
one.
I'm all ears whenever you're
I'm all ears
to my teachers whenever they're- teachers whenever.
to my teachers whenever
They're taking.
I'm in class.
They're talking.
Whenever we're in class.
We're in class.
whenever
I'm in class.
I'm in class.
I'm in class. Ikaw ba? I'm all in class.
Tagalog. Halang.
Grabe.
Alam.
Bituka. Halang ang bituka, salbahe, desperado, hindi nang
Ningiming.
nanginginig.
Anong nangingiming, Sen? Anong nangingiming? Anong nangingiming?
Nanginginig.
Parang nangigid.
Hesitate.
Hesitate.
Ay, ganun. Nanginginig, pumatay na.
Sa'yo nangingiming, Sen? Nangingiming.
Sabihin mo daw.
Nanginginig.
Nangingiming.
Nanginginig.
Nangingiming.
Nanginginig.
Nyaki. Sa'yo nangingiming.
Nanginginig.
Nanginginig, pumatay ng tao. A person with no moral compunction.
What? Where are you?
Compunction.
Where are
With
you?
no moral
Alam ang
compassion.
bituka.
Halang ang bituka. Ay, halang ang bituka. Pero ano,
Ano literal meaning niya?
with a
Horizontal intestine.
Horizontal intestine.
Oo, talagang ganyan.
It has to be. Para kasi sometimes sa foreigners or sa ibang dinakininig, parang alam nila yung literal meaning. So they won't use it naman sa iba. Kasi it's an idiom. So an idiom can be used literally. Otherwise, it will mean something else. That's funny.
This is a sentence.
Use in a sentence.
Use in a sentence. Halang ang aking bituka.
Change it.
Joke lang.
Nakakatakot ang mga tao.
Nakakatakot ang mga taong halang ang